SEO, or search engine optimization, is a huge topic. I'm gonna be trying to condense this in a short little 3-minute video for you here and now. As always, if you'd like everything that I've used to scale my agency to $185,000 per month for free, go to agencygo.io/leads.
So essentially SEO stands for search engine optimization. And if you're listening to this and you're a digital marketing agency, you probably are very familiar with this term. Now, if you're not a digital marketing agency, I'm gonna give you an overview of how I'd look at it from the lens of an agency owner. I run an agency called Twiz.io, which I have pulled up here, that does over $1.72 million per year in sales. And this year, projected in 2022, we're projected to be doing over $3 to $5 million this year. So I'm very familiar with SEO and how it works. Now, with SEO and the service that we offer for clients, the goal is to get your website or digital assets ranked as high as possible on Google search. Now, there's a lot of different ways that the search itself can show up online. You have different things such as FAQs that people can answer or you can answer in the form of the content you put on the website, and the different markups, which is called schema markup, different markups that you put on your website, and that you're essentially signaling to Google that or other search engines, that there are certain phrases or content that you want to show up when people search for the phrase Twiz. So that is SEO in a nutshell. Now, to go a little bit deeper, and this is the company I was talking about, SEO, the company I own, or Twiz, the company I own. If you want to go a little deeper, a tool that you can use for SEO is Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is really, really good. It's super powerful. I am not sponsored by Ahrefs, but it's just a very good tool. I wanted to pull up one of our partner agencies, Neil Patel, and discuss their traffic on the website. This is all public information. You can find it by going to neilpatel.com and you'll find it, right? But you can find their traffic, their keywords they're ranking for, they're referring domains, meaning websites that are linking back to their main domain or root domain. They could also be linking back to subdomains like blog.neilpatel.com, but I'm not really gonna go into that in this video. But the idea is that SEO is the process of getting these keywords in the most rudimentary sense. It's the process of getting these different assets or factors to be ranking as high as possible, right? So most keywords, most traffic value, which as Ahrefs defines it, is the estimated value of your target's monthly organic search traffic, right? The real thing about SEO, the reason a lot of people do it, and this is another way to get traffic to the door, the reason a lot of people do it is because it allows you to get this traffic for free. To put this in perspective, neilpatel.com, according to Ahrefs, and it's probably even higher than this, is getting $3.2 million per month of free traffic to their website from SEO. That's crazy. And this is why you should do it too.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. And as always, if you would like to like, share, and subscribe to this content, that way you can support the channel and get more content just like this, that's great. Also, feel free to go to agencygo.io/leads if you'd like to learn how I was able to scale my agency to $185,000 per month for free. Those are free resources for you. Peace out.